And so we slice the spam into chunks. There, ready for the bowl. And then slice the potatoes. Well, breakfast in the sunshine in Portland Harbour. Excellent. One of the things that you forget when you're not single-handing is how many times you have to come downstairs for silly little things like making sure that the everything's in its place and it hasn't fallen over. A number of times we set off and so you put the sails up and suddenly you crash downstairs and you realise you forgot to put the washing up liquid back in its holder. So one of the things I had to do this morning is be particularly fastidious in making sure that everything is strapped down and everything is safe and it's not going to fall over when I'm out on my own. Otherwise I have to come down and sort that out, and that's not something I can do. Obviously another factor is making sure you've got enough food and water on deck with you, and the other reason you come downstairs a lot is for clothing. So with jackets and everything else, I've got all the clothing around me. It's those silly little things that you don't think about that normally when you're sailing with a crew, even just short-handed, that you can just nip downstairs and just get. But you can't. You can't leave the cockpit. There's no one on watch. We're at the front of the boat now. We're going to the pointy pokey end, and we're going to get the anchor ball down, and I'm going to bring the anchor in. That's it. Wrexham or bust. Hey ho. Portland Harbour Radio. Portland Harbour Radio. This is Yacht Confidence. Confidence, over.
Confidence, great.
Harbour Radio Conference. We'd like to depart by the Eastern Ship Channel, if that's okay, over.
This is Portland Radio, Roger. Yes, the ship channel approved.
That's all received. Confidence standing by 7. It's 20 to 2, so we've got about 20 minutes and we should start seeing the tide slacking off. Boat's doing really well, got 15 knots of breeze. I shook the reef out, so we've got all plain sail hoisted now, and we're cracking on at over 6 knots of boat speed, which is just brilliant, although we're not making that through the water because the tide's against us. The sea calmed down as well. Need to put some sun cream on, but other than that, all's well. So it's 3:30 in the afternoon, and we're not quite halfway yet. The tide started to go with us, which is good. We were making a really good course, and we've been doing a great undersail, but we've now drifted off the rum line with leeway, and we're motor sailing, and we're aiming a little bit higher than we would do if we were trying to sail it, but the sail is still full and still powering. Ooh, this is a big slappy one. Oh, there you go. All in all, things are going good. So the weather's turning a bit grey now. It's turning a bit cool too. Gosh, it's August.
Whilst other sailing channels bring you exciting footage of aquatic mammals swimming alongside their vessels in the sunshine, Confidence Sailing brings you the reality of the south coast of England with a still image of a receding fin in the grey gloom of Lyme Bay.
It was a very brief encounter, but it's always an amazing experience and a privilege to see dolphins, even for a few seconds. Very nearly in Tor Bay, and we need to go that way a little bit, so I'm going to drop the main now and then put a bit more on the engine, and we'll motor straight towards Brixham from here. Brixham Marina, this is yacht Confidence. Confidence, over.
Confidence, this is Brixham Marina, over.
Brixham, this is Confidence. Hoping you've got a berth allocation for me for the evening at our 10 meeting, that's over.
Confidence, yes we do. Thank you tomorrow, next okay.
That's okay. We have had a few cancellations today, so don't